given if f of z is equal to 7 minus z upon 1 minus z square, where z is equal to 1 plus 2i. Then what is mod of f of z? So let's calculate first. If z is equal to 1 plus 2i, 7 minus z is equal to 7 minus of 1 plus 2i, that is 7 minus 1 minus 2i, that is 6 minus 2i. And let's calculate z square. Z square is equal to 1 plus 2i whole square, that is 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 2i. And since we know for the two complex numbers like a1 plus ib1 and a2 plus ib2, and we had a multiplication of these two complex numbers like a1 a2 minus b1 b2 plus I times of a2 b1 plus a1 b2. So let's use this concept. So here 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. So 1 1s are 1 minus 2 2s are 4 plus I times of 2 1s are 2 2 minus 2. Sorry, 2 1s are 2 2 plus 2, that's 4. So which is equal to, we can write minus 3 plus 4i. So z square is equal to minus 3 plus 4i. Then what is 1 minus z square? We can write 1 plus 3 minus 4i, that is 4 minus 4i. And now we required 7 minus z upon 1 minus z square. Let's write 7 minus z upon 1 minus z square, which equals to 7 minus z is 6 minus 2i upon 1 minus z square is 4 minus 4i. We can take out 2 common and we can write this is 3 minus I divided by 2 minus 2i, or 1 upon 2 taken common, 3 minus I divided by 1 minus I. And for the division of complex numbers, we can perform it like, suppose if two numbers like a1i plus b1i plus a2i plus b2i, the two complex numbers, then the division is given by a1 a2 plus b1 b2, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus b1 a2, that's a2 b1 minus a1 b2 divided by denominator square, that is a2 a square a2 square plus b2 square. So here its given numbers are 3 minus 1 1 minus 1. So we can write the division as 1 upon 2 times of 3 ones are 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus of 3 into minus 1 minus 3, that comes plus 3. So this is I times divided by 1 square plus minus 1 whole square, that is 1 again. So which equals to 1 by 2 times of 4 plus 2i divided by 2, or we can add 1 by 2 times of 2 plus i by taking 2 common and cancel out. So this is half of 2 plus I. And then mod of f of z is equal to mod of 7 minus z by 1 minus z square, that is half mod of 2 plus I, which is equal to half root over, since mod z is equal to square root of a square plus b square, so 2 to the 4 plus 1, which is equal to root 5 by 2. And even the mod z, since z is equal to 1 plus 2i, its mod is under root of 1 plus 4, which is equal to root 5. So we can write here, this is root 5 is nothing but mod z, so which equals to mod z by 2. So that is half of mod z, so we can go with an option, first option.